I will present my paper with title The Implementation of Such Theory in Analyzing Educated Unemployment at Labor Market in Central Java Province, Strategies for Addressing Unemployment Among Generation Z. We know unemployment is the big problem the all country, especially development country. In content my paper, one's background, theoretical review, implementation in research, education, and implement in Central Java, result and discussion and conclusion, and the end recommendation. Background. Unemployment is currently increasing in Indonesia, particularly among educated unemployment. Unemployment is not always due to reduced job opportunities, but also due to individual behavior, which is not always willing to accept a job offer. This condition is often found among educated unemployment because job seeker decisions are related to the wage offer. Such theory states that job seeker will stop looking for job if they find a job offer that meet their expectation or the set reservation wage. The determination of the reservation wage is related to individual characteristic. One prominent characteristic that determines the reservation wage is education level. Several other factors such as age, gender, and status as head of household can also influence this because they are inherent factor within the individual. The result of this research using the search theory approach are expected to serve as a basis for determining appropriate policies for improving their ability to shorten their duration in the labor market. Unemployment caused by the demographic bonus will become a serious problem if not addressed promptly. The unemployed, mostly from Generation Z, are a unique and special generation because they have easily accessible technology, knowledge, resources, and networks. However, this generation also face many challenges. Among Gen Z, challenges are increasing basic need and raising quality of life, leading to increased wage expectation to meet these needs. By analyzing research result using a search theory approach, we can develop more effective policy recommendations for addressing Gen Z unemployment. Next, theoretical review. Such theory was initially developed by Stigler, 1962, followed by McCall, 1970, Weinberg, 1978, Kevin Newman, 1979, Fallon, 1983, Montgomery Sulak, 1989, Beck and Chapman, 1990, Mois, 1992, Suratman, 1994, and Steridodi, 1996, Pittsburgh, 1998. This that was further developed by Stensko Serhi, 2003, Pelizari Michael, 2005, and Arnolfo David, 2006 jadi di 2040 jadi di 2070 dan jadi di 2080. Recent results show the education level significantly influence the length of time spent searching for a job. Next, we will discuss the application of such theory to research on educated unemployment individuals who are part of Gen Z. Next. Implementation in educated unemployment research in Central Java. This research used a survey method taking sample from the 2015 Indonesian National Labor Force Survey. The sample size was 1,721 workers out of a total sample of 49,360 individuals in the Central Java Provincial Labor Force. The proposed model framework is duration equal B0 plus B1H plus B2 sex plus B3 as a household status plus B4 which unemployment plus B6 education level 1 plus plus B5 education level 1 plus B6 education level 2 and plus B7 education level 3 plus B8 gross regional domestic product service sector plus B9 gross regional domestic product agricultural sector plus error. The model is an empirical formulation based on the development of such theory, which state that duration equal function from which offer, which market, and reservation width. And reservation width equal function from age, education, which unemployment, sex, and as a head status of household. Which offer and which market equal function from gross regional domestic product, agriculture, service, and industry. In education level 1 is junior high school, education level 2, high school education, and education level 3 is equal college. And reference category education is level 0 with elementary school education. Next. Dur equal duration, age status head of household is categorical variable, which unemployment is numerical variable, sex is categorical variable, age is respondent age is numerical variable. Gross regional domestic product if more 20% from total product if GRDP equal 1 and less than 20% from total GRDP is equal 0. In agriculture, if more 20% from total GRDP agriculture equal 1 and less than 20%, then GRDP agriculture equal 0. GRDP sector, service sector, if more 20% from total GRDP service sector equal 1 and if less than 20% GRDP service sector from total GDP equal 0. Next. Next. Result and discussion. Oh, this is a very small, yeah. I'm sorry. Next. In descriptive inferential, the result inferential adjusted as square. Maybe. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Cannot. In inferential statistic, adjusted as square result 5% and significance F is 0.0. Next. Okay, next. In coefficient regression, the regression coefficient table show the direction of the influence of each independent variable can be explained as follow. 1. Age has positive effect on job saturation. 2. Gender has positive effect on job duration. 3. Head of household status has a negative effect on duration unemployment. 4. Wage or income during job search have a positive effect on duration unemployment. 5. Junior high school education has positive effect on duration unemployment. High school education has a negative effect on duration unemployment. College education has positive effect on duration unemployment. Service sector GRDP has a negative effect on duration unemployment. Agriculture sector GRDP has a positive effect on duration unemployment. Next. Ini kok gimana sih? Implication. The implication of this positive influence are that a respondent it's their job duration increases. Male respondent spend more time searching for job. Respondents who are head of households spend less time searching for job. Respondents with income during their job search period spend more time searching for job. Respondents with junior high school education spend more time searching for job. Respondents with high school education spend less time searching for job. Respondents with college education will spend longer in the job search period. Respondents residing in areas with increasing GDP in service sector will spend shorter period in the job search period. Respondents residing in areas with increasing GDP in the agriculture sector will spend longer in the job search period. The industrial sector is already represented by the service sector and therefore does not appear in the model. Next. Furthermore, by observing the calculated value, it appears that the variable its gender status as head of household, junior high school education, college education, and GRDP in the service sector each have a significant effect at 1% alpha, while the GRDP in the agriculture sector has a significant effect at 5% alpha. The variable high school education has no significant effect. Furthermore, the VIF value indicate that the model does not contain multicollinearity, making it a good model for predicting the length of job search for job seeker in Central Java province. Next. Next, length of time for job in Central Java. Length of job search for job seeker with junior high school, college education, head of household, earning income while looking for work, and living in the service or agricultural region. Next. To explain figure 4. The figure so that education has a positive effect on the length of time it takes to find a job. Those with higher education take longer to find job. Age and gender have a positive effect, with older individuals taking longer to find work and men also take longer to find work. Meanwhile, the as a head of household and GLTP sector service variable have a negative effect. Those who are heads of household and live in areas with high service sector GLTP take a shorter time to find job. Next. Length of time for job seeker in its regency in Central Java. Maybe in Central Java have 35 regions. The job search duration per regency based on education level for job seeker age 25 years and older, heads of household and width of unemployment is 300 rupiah during their job search period is presented in following table. Next. Explain this figure. The figure shows the Banyumas, Banjarnegara, Kendal, Jepara, and Pati are the regency with the longest waiting time for college graduates. Cilacap Regency has the shortest waiting time for college graduates. In general, all districts show a waiting time of over 12 months for job seeker with a college education. Next. Okay. Conclusion. After developing and testing the model, it can be concluded that based on the descriptive and inferential analysis, it appears that the variable age, gender, income during job search, junior high school, education level, college education level, GRDP in the agricultural service have a positive effect on job search education. Conversely, GDP in the service sector, high school education level, and head of household status have a negative effect. I'm sorry, agricultural sector. Yeah. Based on the descriptive and inferential analysis, it appears that the variable age, gender, income during job search, junior high school education level, college education level, and GLDP in the agricultural sector have a positive effect on job search duration. Conversely, GLDP in the service sector, high school education level, and head of household status have a negative effect. The F-test show that all observed independent variables collectively have a significant effect on job search duration at an alpha of 1%. Partially, this is one insignificant variable namely senior high school education level. And one variable that has a significant effect at an alpha of 5%. The variable is gender status as head of household income during job search, junior high school and college duration level, and the GRDP, gross domestic product, in the service sector. It's had a significant effect at 1%. This finding also with such theory, particularly when examining the effect of education level on job search duration, which indicated that higher education level lead to longer job seeker searching, typically due to the reservation width factor. This finding aligns with research Andolfato, David, Blinsky, Stoller, and Markovits, 2014, and Study Dodi, 2015. Next. Next. This job search duration model can be used to determine job search duration for job seeker in Central Java province and at the district level within Central Java province. When determining job search duration per district, several regency, namely Banjarnegara Regency, Banyumas Regency, Sragen Regency, Pati Regency, and Kendal Regency, experience job search duration of more than 13 months. In general, the pattern shown by each regency show the same pattern with a tendency towards a positive influence of education level on job search duration. This means that the higher an individual's education level, the longer they will spend searching for job. Job seeker in area with high service sector GRDP will spend a shorter time searching for job. In a model based on the industrial sector as the reference category, job seeker tend to have a longer job search period, especially for those with higher education, if they live in areas with higher agricultural sector GDP. The situation differs when the agricultural sector used as the comparison, as job seeker in areas with higher industrial sector GDP will spend a longer time searching for job. The service sector can be a very important sector for shortening the job search period, as job seeker in areas with high service sector GDP generally find themselves in the job search period quickly. Next. Next. Recommendation. Stakeholder can immediately establish policies to develop the capacity of highly educated workforce to shorten the waiting period in the job search process. This capacity development encompasses psychomotor and communication skill, as well as mental and spiritual development, to enhance their fighting spirit and encourage them to immediately take part in contributing to regional development. The perception that work can only be done at specific institutions must be eliminated. The meaning of work must be developed into the ability to initiate activities that generate added value, starting with the ability to understand the potential resources available in each region. This will reduce the potential for the workforce to become only spectators when they learn of foreign investment development that could develop regional resources potential. Next. Next. Okay, next. Provide educate access to information about job opportunities and training to enable the educated workforce, especially university graduates, to seize these opportunities. Can be reference for policy maker to overcome unemployment of Gen Z who are currently facing the development of information technology and the development of income expectation to meet the development of needs in meeting the, the standards of modern quality of life today and in the future. For this reason, the key success of Gen Z is to have multi-competencies, change the perception about job opportunities and the ability to build business networks and behave innovatively and creatively. Eliminate the perception of looking for job, replace it with creating value for resources. Replace job opportunities with understanding economic resources. Replace relaxing with learning, working, and innovating.